Disaster in Peru when a lake high in the Andes, weakened by a severe earthquake, burst its dams. The torrent swept away 2 mountain towns and several smaller communities. The Peruvian government called for 8 days of national mourning for the 50,000 people believed to have perished. They've also allocated £7 million for reconstruction and the resettlement of 300,000 made homeless. Britain is among the countries sending food, supplies and medical aid to the stricken area. 95% of all buildings have been destroyed, and amid the chaos, the dazed survivors present a pitiful picture as they wait for food, clothing and shelter. The 10th stage of the 2-week Tour of Britain milk race, and the riders tackling